Thank you for subscribing and hit that notification bell. Hi everyone, welcome back. And in this video, I am going to be showing you how to do a quick hard gel overlay on natural nails. The nails that you see on the bottom of the screen are the nails that I just removed, and I have already completed my prep work. If you want to see my prep video, follow the arrow. If you would like to watch the video of the purple polygel nails, follow the arrow. Now that all the prep work is done, I'm going to be using pure acetone to clean and dehydrate the nails. Next, I use another dehydrator and pH balancing agent, and it's called Bond-Aid. And then after that, I use a primer. This is called Bond X, and it's actually a primer for acrylic, but I have been using it for my gels for years, and it works just as well. And the gel that I'm going to be using is from Star Nails International. This is the thin sculpting gel, and it is in clear, of course. You'll want to make sure that you're using a lamp that has a low heat mode, because this gel from Star Nails has a tendency to get heat spikes. The dehydrators and primers have already been applied, and now it's time to do the gel overlay. And in this gel overlay, I'm going to only be doing 2 layers of gel. Most of the time I do 3 layers, and with each layer I apply the gel thicker. And I always like to do a hard gel overlay after I remove a set of nails, because I have my natural nails exposed, and if they have some length to it, I want to keep that length. And by applying a gel overlay, it makes my nails even more strong, and then they won't break until I get around within a couple days of doing another set. And now I will cure this layer for 1 minute. And now I'm going to apply the second layer, and it is thicker than the first layer. And once I get it on there, I will go ahead and cure it for 1 minute. And you know, I told you that I always apply a hard gel overlay after I remove any set of nails, and I don't remove the hard gel overlay when I start the new set either. I just file it lightly to etch the surface, and then I go right ahead and dehydrate and prime and apply my product to create my new set. And I have applied acrylic over my hard gel overlay. I've applied polygel over my hard gel overlay. It really doesn't matter. It all works out. And there's no need to remove your overlay. Your nails are always protected when you go to file off your product, and you don't have to worry about filing down into your natural nail. I'm now cleaning the tacky layer off of the nails. This gel is so shiny when you clean it. There's no need for any top coat when you use this gel from Star Nails. Look at the shine here. And if I don't want it shiny, all I need to do is take a fine buffer and just buff the shine off and have the nails matte. And here is what the overlay looks like. It looks really nice. My nails are growing out real good, and I'm very happy with them. And I just want to show you here, if you notice on my thumb, there is a brown mark here. That's a splinter hemorrhage. I got my finger stuck in a drawer and it pinched it, and that's what a splinter hemorrhage looks like. And that's another splinter hemorrhage right there. When it grows out, it'll start and grow out. This is another shot of my finished overlay, and looking good. And just remember, everyone, that it is not the product that ruins your nails. It is an untrained nail tech. The next set that I did after this overlay was the nails that you see in the corner, and that was done with the Born Pretty Clear Polygel. If you want to see that video, follow the arrow and you can watch it. And then the next video was the marbling that I did with Madam Glam's gel polish. If you want to see that one, you can again follow the arrow and watch that video. And that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and maybe this will give you the idea to do a hard gel overlay on your nails in between sets, and just to keep one on, and your nails will always be protected and strong in between your sets, and you won't have anything to worry about. And that's it. Thank you all so much for watching, and we will be seeing you in the next one. Bye.